Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom, and today's lesson is Google Ads Bootcamp. Let me introduce you to the great Liam James Kay. He's only 27, 28, and in his first year of affiliate marketing, he smashed the builderall leaderboards, won the car, 32 grand's worth of car or money, chose the money. I've actually met him, and he's exactly like he is on the videos. He's so lovely. Anyway, this guy is amazing. His Google Ads training is out now, and what he does in this training is he shows you step by step how to pay, because you have to pay for traffic, don't you? And nobody wants to pay, say, $2 a click. He can get you traffic for like down to 5 cents a click. I'm telling you, this guy knows what he's talking about. So you can tell most of his affiliates make commissions, and some of us, he's just chosen a few there. You can actually, if you put it into action and you can understand it in the step-by-step trainings, step by step, little by little. But this is one section of the six-figure affiliate marketing bootcamp. So what's inside this training? Google Ads. You don't even know it's an ad, you think it's the actual website itself. So Google Ads with affiliate marketing, direct linking, non-direct linking. It teaches you how to do those little squares of info underneath the headline, keyword match types, negative keywords, and once he's explained it all in minute detail, he shows you a whole campaign over the shoulder walkthrough look. Then once you've got that sussed, he retargets all the links that you've already got and sends you somewhere else. But the thing is, this is amazing. It's not only you not only get that, you get this as well. Super cheap traffic secrets together. Come on, as a free gift. So if you get this for $97, you get the super cheap traffic secrets for free, but also my bonuses are I can't compete with the traffic and the affiliate marketing. I mean, I have got some courses of my own that I can actually add to this, but you don't want that because it's all in here. So I've got a focus, how to keep your focus and laser focus. I've got a video course, how to smash your goals with mindset. That's number one, but the best is last. Yes, you get a holiday. Buy all this for $97 and you'll get a holiday as well. So take a look, buy it. I can check that you've bought it, then all I'll need is your email to send you the holiday. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. But if you share it, more people will see it and I'll get to the top of Google quicker. There you go. See you next time. Bye guys.